One of the most important things when setting up these types of word problems is to let your variable be the value that you know nothing about. This example says that the elevations of 33 football stadiums range from 14 feet to 5,322 feet. The elevation of the highest stadium is 268 foot higher than 7 times the elevation of Bill's favorite team stadium. What is the elevation of Bill's favorite team stadium? This problem can be very confusing when you look at it overall, so you want to look at it in small pieces. The value that we know nothing about is the elevation of Bill's favorite team stadium, so we will let x equal that value. That being the case, we would like to set up an equation that represents the information that was given. It said that the elevation of the highest stadium, which we know to be 5,322 feet, is a fancy word for equals, 268 foot higher. Higher indicates we're going to add. Then 7 times the elevation of Bill's favorite team stadium. 7 would then be multiplied by the value x that we let be the elevation of Bill's favorite team. So starting by letting x be that unknown quantity, the thing that we knew nothing about from the problem, allowed us to go back and read through the problem and basically translate it word for word into some type of equation. Now that we've got the equation, we can solve. So in this case, we would subtract over 268. The 268 would cancel, leave us with just 7x on the right side. On the calculator, we can subtract 5,322 minus 268. That would result in 5,054. As our last step, we would divide by 7. And so x equals, we can do what we did on the last example. Since we already have 5,054 on the screen as the prior result, we can do second and then the negative sign, which is answer. And then we want to divide that 5,054 by 7. And then that would give us our result of 722. Since we do have a word problem, then we want to write our answer out as a statement. So we would say that the elevation of Bill's favorite team's stadium is 722, and the units from the problem were feet, so 722 feet.